Here to talk about Word 2010. Very similar to 2007, but if you've been using 2003, you're going to see a lot of changes. We have this ribbon here. The 2010 did bring back the File button. I click on that, and it shows recent files, new, print, save, and send on their versions here. It gives information on the document. I'll go back to the home here. What they've done, a lot of things here, is increasing the graphic ability here. I'm on this image here. If I click on Format, they have things here such as corrections. I can go and change the photo. Darker, I can always undo. I can go into Remove Background, and then I click off of it. It removes it. It's not Photoshop, but I'm just showing you this as a dramatic thing with this photo. I'm going to put it back in here. I'm on this picture again on the Format tab here. You can go into Artistic Effects. I can turn it into a mosaic, cement on here. You hold the mouse here, it gives you a live preview. It has options there. So if I do something such as this on, I'm not saying it's the best, you can go into the picture styles, give it a border. You can color the picture border. I can make it another color, like a burgundy here. Picture effects here. Reflection. It has a lot more added to this here. I could bevel it. I've got the bevel here. I go to picture layout. That gives you this smart art. I wouldn't want to do that here. And you have the wrap text here as we've always had. If I make it square, I can pull it, put it in the middle, on there. I go underneath. They also have a wonderful feature here that I do like. I'm going to put the paragraph marker on for a minute. Put this on here. Just hit the Enter key here, where you'll see this in a second. You can copy and bring things from other documents. For example, I click on Insert. You've got Screenshot. I click on the drop-down arrow. It shows all my open windows here. Or I can go to Screen Clipping, and then let's say I have to get something because I'm illustrating something here on a toolbar, let's say, and the data here, I just do a drag. It shows up in the Word document automatically inserted. Shut off the paragraph markers. That's on the Home tab. On there, you've got the Insert where you can add tables, lots of stuff. Do this in PowerPoint a lot. Page Layout allows you to set the margins, references. It allows you to do things like footnotes, endnotes on there, an index, a lot of automatic features, mailings. Works the same as really going back to 2002 where you can create a mail merge. You can send off letters, review, you can translate, spell check on there. You can do collaborative work where you can accept, reject, and do changes. View, different ways of viewing. I tend to use the print layout. You get something that looks funky. This is how it would look like as a website here. Full screen reading. If I want to get back to it, I just hit the close over here. Print layout is the best way to go on there. So I would stick with that on there. So that's a quick review of what Office 2010, or Word 2010 is about. A lot more features which you can explore.